Montserrat,
Oh, Montserrat,
sweet Montserrat,
sweet Montserrat,
my home, sweet home.
Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Empress D. I am from Montserrat and we are coming around our St. Patrick's celebration. So this festival runs from the 8th of March to the 18th, well the 17th of March. So I've decided to do Green Week. So I'm going to start out this right with our national fabric. As you can see here, this is the Madras fabric. I've got my head wrapped in it, earrings, and my top, and I've kind of just mimicked my eyes, if you guys can see. The green, the orange, and the white. So if you want to see how I have achieved this look, then just stay tuned and I will run through it step by step with you. But before you do that, remember to like this video, remember to subscribe, and remember to hit that notification bell and grow the Empress D family. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it, doing it. Let them respect you for.
So before we jump into my normal one eye completed look, I am just going to show you guys what I received. So I have seen the videos, I've watched the lives, I've seen some reviews, and I decided that I am going to support a fellow Caribbean lady and purchase her palette. I was actually going to hold out on doing a look with this palette, but it called my name and I have to open it. So it comes with a mirror, but I'm not going to show you guys the mirror. This is what it looks like. So I've heard that this is the most pigmented eyeshadow that's out there now, and I am literally going to put it to the test today. I am starting off my Green Week for our St. Patrick's. So I am from Montserrat, so we celebrate St. Patrick's, and I will be doing green looks all week. So I'm going to start off my looks with the colors of the Madras, which is our national fabric. I'm just going to show you the colors that we are more than likely going to be using. So we're going to be using this green right here, which is tropical, this white right here, which is glow, and this orange over here, which is yasso. And we're probably going to go in with the darker green up here, which is yadi, fellow Jamaicans, and the black one, which is blackish. So more than likely these are the colors that we are going to be using. So I am just going to cut to my normal, this is my one eye completed look, and then I'll show you guys what to do in the next bit over here. Okay, right you guys, as I said, we're now back with our one eye completed story, and we are going to replicate that over here. I must say that I digged into this palette and I really do like it. It really is pigmented, but I'm just going to go ahead and I'll show you guys the step. Starting with, so I've already did my brows. I did my brows with the Technic brow pencil in black with a very light hand, obviously, and I am going to go in and prime my lid with the L.A Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Toffee.
Where we go, where we go? Everybody festival. Where we go, where we go? Everybody Montserrat. Na 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 na. Oh yeah. Well, alright then. Everybody, just say when, and I'll be there from the fetting start until the fetting end. We come to drink rum, we come to have fun. So don't tell me about better done, because when me mad the place overturn.
When they hear this beat, everybody jump. Turn on the heat, everybody jump. Rise to your feet, everybody jump. Everybody jump, everybody jump. When they hear this beat, everybody jump. Turn on the heat, everybody jump. Rise to your feet, everybody jump. Everybody jump, everybody jump. Don't care if it's rain or fall, we come to party. We come to party, oh Lord. And if I want a thief a wine, I just hold on for a girl and broke way. Start to broke way, oh Lord. When they hear this beat, everybody
get mad inside of this festival. Get bad inside of this festival. Because girl inside of this festival crazy. But me I get mad inside of this festival. Get bad inside of this festival. Because girl inside of this festival.
Everybody jump. 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 Everybody jump.
Well, alright then. Just say when. And I'll be there from the fetting start until the fetting end. We come to drink rum. We come to have fun. So don't tell me about better done, because when me mad the place overturn. I'm not crazy, but me I get mad inside of this festival. Get bad inside of this festival. Because girl inside of this festival crazy. But me I get mad inside of this festival. Get bad inside of this festival. Because girl inside of this festival.
When they hear this beat, turn on the heat. Rise to your feet. Everybody jump. Everybody jump. When they hear this beat, everybody jump. Turn on the heat. Rise to your feet. Everybody jump. Everybody jump. Don't care if it's rain or fall, we come to party. We come to party, oh Lord. And if I want a thief a wine, I just hold up on a girl and broke way. Start to broke way, oh Lord.
I'm not crazy, but me I get mad inside of this festival. Get mad inside of this festival.
I am just going to run off and do my base and complete my under eye. I'm just going to let you guys know now. I'm just going to pop the NYX jumbo pencil in white in my waterline, and then I am going to go in with the darker green and then the lighter green. That's what I'm going to do for my under eyes. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So you guys, this is the completed look. Let me know what you guys think. Bye guys.
Crazy, but me I get mad inside of this festival. Get bad inside of this festival.